Module 3, Project Charter and SOP Orientation. Objective: familiarize enumerators with the project charter, timeline, and key SOPs. Outcome: ability to explain project goals and operational steps. Introduction. Hello and welcome to this session on Project Charter and SOP Orientation. As enumerators, you are not just data collectors, you are part of a structured, mission-driven project designed to create real impact in rural communities. This session will give you a clear understanding of address to standards and scientists, what the project aims to achieve, the timeline and expected milestones. The key standard operating procedures are SOPs that guide how we work. Let's begin. What is a project charter? A project charter is a formal document that outlines the what, why, who, and how of a project. For our enumerator network and productive use of energy (PUE) project, the charter defines the purpose: to support rural electrification by identifying opportunities for energy-powered income-generating activities. The scope: communities across Nigeria where data on agricultural processing and commercial energy use is needed. The team: project managers, field coordinators, enumerators, that's you, us and technical and finance teams. The deliverables: clean, verified data that informs equipment deployment, mini-grid planning, and financing models. The timeline: specific start and end dates, typically aligned with funding windows or field season cycles. The charter is like a compass. It keeps everyone aligned and focused on the big picture. And that's in Stuan Discretion Society, understanding the project timeline. Every project has a timeline with different phases. Here's a simplified version of ours. První, planning phase, finalizing project charter, designing questionnaires and tools, selecting and training enumerators. Druhý, field deployment phase, assigning enumerators to clusters, collecting household, farmer, and enterprise level data. Třetí, data processing phase, cleaning and validating collected data, analyzing trends and gaps, preparing assessment and recommendation reports. Čtvrtý, implementation and follow-up phase, equipment deployment based on insights, monitoring results, reporting back to partners and funders. Your role fits into phases 2 and 3, field deployment and data collection. Key standard operating procedures, SOPs. Now let's talk about SOPs, or standard operating procedures. These are step-by-step guidelines that help us work in a consistent, efficient, and professional way. Here are the most important SOPs for your role. Enumerator Selection SOP outlines a rigorous step-by-step process to ensure only qualified, trained, and reliable individuals are deployed. It sets eligibility benchmarks, standardizes selection, and ensures only those with proven competence and understanding of ethical standards are approved, laying the foundation for accurate, trustworthy data collection. Pre-deployment and field assignment (SOP) details all logistical arrangements, team briefings, and role assignments before deployment. It ensures enumerators are properly equipped, understand the project context, and know what is expected, minimizing confusion and delays, and ensuring readiness for data collection. Questionnaire Creation SOP defines the standardized process for designing and reviewing survey tools. It explains the logic, sequencing, and formatting of questions to ensure clarity and relevance, enhancing the accuracy and consistency of responses during fieldwork. Field Data Collection SOP provides clear instructions on using digital tools, for example, DQP Kobo Toolbox, to collect high-quality data. It ensures enumerators follow consistent practices, avoid bias, and capture real-time geotag data that meets project standards. Data Cleaning and Validation SOP explains the quality control process after data is collected. It outlines how entries are reviewed, verified, and corrected where needed, ensuring clean, reliable datasets and reducing rework or rejection of submissions. Reconnaissance Visit SOP guides early visits to communities for stakeholder mapping and environmental scanning. It enables enumerators to understand the terrain, identify local dynamics, and inform field strategy, laying the groundwork for effective enumeration once data collection begins. Journey Management and Safety SOP ensures enumerators travel safely to, within, and from field locations. It includes risk assessment, communication protocols, and check-in/check-out procedures, protecting team welfare and minimizing disruptions to fieldwork. Templates and Budget Tracking SOPs standardizes the use of reporting templates and budget logs for field activities. It ensures accountability, transparency, and real-time tracking of project progress and expenses, allowing efficient resource use and timely decision-making. Each SOP has a purpose to make sure the project runs smoothly and professionally. Wrap up and key takeaways. Let's wrap up with the key points you need to remember. A project charter defines the purpose, scope, team, and timeline of the work you're part of. The timeline follows key phases: planning, deployment, data processing, and follow-up. SOPs are your rulebook. They guide everything from who is selected to how data is collected, cleaned, and reported. As an enumerator, your ability to follow the charter and SOPs is what makes you not just a field worker, but a critical part of a well-organized development initiative. In our next session, we'll go deeper into the tools and questionnaires you'll be using during fieldwork. Thank you, and see you in the next module.